Fendt 6335C harvester is a true powerhouse in the field, built for maximum efficiency and top-tier performance. Welcome to Power Haul, your go-to channel for expert reviews on agricultural machinery. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Fendt 6335C a game-changer for modern farmers. This harvester is powered by a 6-cylinder AGCO Power engine, delivering impressive horsepower while keeping fuel consumption optimized. Whether you're harvesting a small farm or a large-scale field, this machine is engineered to handle tough conditions with ease. Its advanced threshing system ensures minimal grain loss, providing superior grain quality and boosting overall yield. One of its standout features is the spacious and well-designed cab, built for operator comfort during long working hours. Inside, the ergonomic controls and panoramic visibility reduce fatigue, allowing farmers to work more efficiently. The Variotronic control system puts everything at your fingertips, with an intuitive interface and real-time data tracking, making operations smooth and precise. Another key highlight is the efficient cleaning and separation system, ensuring that the harvested grain is of the highest quality. This means less waste and better productivity, even in challenging harvesting conditions. The adaptive cutting system is designed to handle various crops, including wheat, barley, and more, making it a versatile machine for different farming needs. Durability is another strong point of the Fendt 6335C. Its robust build and low maintenance requirements make it a long-term investment that ensures reliability for years to come. The combination of power, precision, and efficiency makes this harvester a top choice for farmers looking to maximize their productivity. If you're in the market for a high-performance harvester, the Fendt 6335C is a machine you can count on. Stay tuned to Power Haul for more in-depth reviews on tractors, harvesters, and trucks. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in agricultural machinery. See you in the next video.